Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One of the largest broods of periodical cicadas in the nation, Brood X, will emerge in 15 states: Delaware, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, Michigan, North Carolina, New Jersey, New York, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, as well as Washington, D.C. the 27th of January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When over 1 million bugs spontaneously pop out of the soil at the same time, it's a pretty big deal. While these insects are generally harmless, they do not sting or bite. Female cicadas can cause quite the damage to trees when laying eggs. 21 May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.